Okay, anyhow, don't worry. I will make dot powerapps.com. Make.powerapps.com. You need to. How many of you heard about Power Apps? Power Apps is also a Microsoft service. 1 second. So you can type the make.powerapps.com and then go to this website and create a username and password. Once you create the username and password, you're all set. You can connect to this URL. Okay. And then if you look at the left side of this one, right, you will find something like tables. Now I'm going to click on more here. Let me do one thing. I don't know why it is not showing. I just opened the apps in the separate thing. You can see all the kind of apps that is published previously by someone else. I did not do anything. Everything is available here. And here I just do one thing, search database. Start from database. If you click on it here, it display the icon for the database at the left side. I'm not sure why it isn't, because they are changing every now and then. Look here, supported. This is my URL. This is your database. Okay, you need to search it and then you will find something like database. And on the right side in the database, whatever the tables are there, it shows us here. So these tables were created by someone else. I did not create it. Okay. And on our behalf, so even in the case of real world, you will not have, you will have read-only access. You will not have any privilege to create the table or upload the data here. Okay. There are some administration will be there and they will be doing it. For example, if you click on plus icon, will find the Microsoft database plus icon, okay, plus new action. So Azure database for SQL, MySQL, Apache Impala, Amazon Redshift, Dynamics, Google Sheets, Informix, all the things are there, okay. And if you want to create a connection to any one of them, that is possible. But most of them requires, it's all kind of certain things are, paid. You need to have the license here, okay. In this case, all we need is we want to connect to the Microsoft database. I just click on it here. And then if you click on create, it will create it. Okay. But it's a premium license. Okay. So what I do is I'll just go back already. It is available here. Start from database. You click on it. You don't have to do anything. This is the default one. Okay. You just click on, but this is the one I use the connection. Okay. You can also click on create. It will get created. Okay. But here, these are the tables are already available here. You have something like accounts table, activities table. I'm going to select the accounts table. I'm going to click on connect at the bottom. It is loading. See, they changed the interface now. Previously, the interface was different. Now they changed the interface. It is a little bit confusing. Okay, the latest one. Maybe if you spend some time, see, every once in 2 months, they will change the interface, the look and feel, the navigation a little bit. Okay, it's a little bit difficult. But again, since you have the prior experience, you can understand it. Okay. I'm going to sleep on this. You have something like accounts data, everything is there. Screens and components, all the things you can see. I just look here, you have something called insert, text label, all the things you can do it. What I will do is I will click on back. I don't save. All we want to do is we just want to click on the Power Apps, the database, and you will see the previously created tables here. And here, oh my God, my SQL server which I created, still it is there. Let me go and check any billing. Whenever you create any SQL server, so make sure that you have stopped the service, otherwise they will charge you like anything. Okay, one second, let me go to the this one. So these are the tables that are available. Okay, if you select this table, it is not or right click on it is not much helpful. I just close this one. So when usually right in the previous version, if you click on the table name, it will show the data here, but it's showing something different now. You need to explore why it is showing in a different way, right? Okay, let me do one thing. Switch directly. See a preview of this app. It is showing the app, right? Welcome to Power App Studio and Advanced. And here you will find something called ideas. Got it. Okay. Yeah, click on the table. Okay, you can click on the table, so database icon, accounts, you will find the table accounts here. Let me do one thing, the environment, right? The add data. If you want add any data, you can add it here also. And what I will do is to connect to this table, right? I'm going to click on the settings icon, the wheel icon, and I'm going to click on the session details. Okay, click on the session details. And remember that we have something called instance URL. Next to that, you will find the URL HTTPS. Don't select everything, exclude the HTTPS everything, select only the domain name. Okay, up to the .com, right click on it, copy it, go to your Power BI desktop, and then click on the get data here or database. And the database, you will find, click on the database. See, when you click on it, this icon, the database, first time, it will ask you the cloud server name. You need to copy and paste it there. And you need to specify the username and password which you use it here. Okay. And second time onwards, right, it's kind of a cookie. Okay, it will not ask you the server name, username, it will connect directly. You look at database, and this is the URL, username and password. You can expand this one. We expand this, you can see the table name, all the table names that are available here. Account table, click on the account, select the account table. And when you select the account table, you can see the data here. Okay, what are the data are there, right? You can see it here. The interest of time, I'm going to click on the load. And there are two connectivity options. Other, I'm going to select import connectivity mode. That means it's kind of a downloading the data from your account table, which is available currently in your database cloud. Okay, it's simply download it here. Ten rows, only 10 rows are there, but the number of columns are more in this table. Okay, so loaded. Okay, very good. On the right side, just beneath the data pane, you can see it here. Okay. And what I will do is I will just click on this one. Okay, it takes time here. I just go to the data view, and then if you click on the accounts table, we'll find the accounts table columns. Can you see a lot of columns are there, right? And how do I see how many number of rows loaded? At the bottom, left bottom, the data view, you select the table data which you want to see it, right? And then just beneath that, you can see the number of rows. That's it. Now we are able to connect directly to the database. But whatever the table that you needed in real world, the someone else on your behalf, they will load it. For example, I'm going to create a donut chart. This is called this is also kind of your pie chart. Okay. And what I'll do is I'll populate the data from my account table. Account table data came from where? Number of employees. I'll drop one column here, and then the account number from this table or account name. I'll just drop it here. Account name is, you just think, it's kind of a department. In each department, how many number of employees are there? You can see it here. So now we have extracted the data from datawares. Okay. And using import connectivity, we extract the data from database and we loaded it here into our visual called Donut chart. Hope you understood how to, but anyhow, we will discuss what is import direct connectivity mode in this one database in tomorrow's session. Tomorrow, make sure that you are joining it without fail. Okay.